Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Rich Like Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. So, if this is your first time to our channel, welcome to Rich Like Insider and subscribe. We talk about finance, business, stock investment, real estate, how to make more money, and different ways to make more money. So, if you want to succeed and make more money, subscribe our channel. So, today we're gonna talk about biggest winner, MacroGenics. What's going on? Let's look at it. And if you subscribe, click on the bell and click all so you do not miss any of my videos. Some of the videos are so important that you don't want to miss out. Okay, let's look at it. So this is MacroGenics. So basically, they opened the previous close was $7.60. Then they closed at 25 and 15 cents today. So basically it's 3 times jump. So look at the Thursday, Tuesday. Basically Tuesday is 7.60. Wednesday, at the end of Wednesday is 25.15. If you look at 1 month, nothing happened. 6 months, not many changes. Year to date, it looks more like 90-degree stick. And 1 year, 5 years, nothing happened. So if you look at this stock, 5 years is like downtrending. So you have lower lows and lower highs. You see, the second high is lower than the first high, and the second low is lower than the first low. So it's downtrending overall. But what's going on right here? Let's look at it. Okay, look at the report. Quarterly loss of 91 cents per share versus the estimate of $1.01. So which is better? Their actual numbers came out better than their estimates, their forecast number. So which is good news, and that this compared to the loss of 99 cents per share a year ago. So compared to last year, this year is better. And also, the quarterly report represents annual surplus of 9.9%. Usually, when you have any or revenue surprise, the stock usually tend to jump. But there's always a situation where the stock drop after the surprise. So a quarter ago, it was expected this will post a loss of 71 cents. But it actually posted, the previous quarter actually posted 62 cents. So which is better than the estimate. So basically, over the last 4 quarters, this company is performed better than the estimates and the forecast expectations. So which is good. That explains why the stock jump. And not only that, another reason is because their lead drug candidate March test map. Basically, they expect that they're gonna get FDA approval as soon as December 2020. So that's a big news. And basically, last year their drug is performing better than the popular drugs, and also they said that their cash 170.8 million could last until 2022. So basically, the company came out with a great news, and their earnings basically is better than expectation for the past four quarters. So which is good. And also basically they have other approval that will depend a lot. Blah blah blah. Basically, if you can take the risk, you can get this stock. This is really great for trading. I mean, if you look at it, but the past 1 year nothing happened. But 5 years they're going down, going up. But you could be waiting for a long time between another jump. So I mean, let's wait for the next 1 or 2 days, see if this is gonna hold or if it's just gonna drop down. But based on the track record, it's most likely it could drop down within the next 2 or 3 days. Let's get back to the slide. So do you enjoy the video? So make sure you subscribe and share this video, and I'll give you the free stars in description comment. You can click on it to get free stars up to $1,400 if you made a deposit for 100. And I've got a course coming up, so how to get your dream job in 30 days if you want to make more money and you want to change your career and want to work and live in USA. This course is a must. You must take this course. So the link is gonna be below above the video. And thank you for watching until the end. So I'm gonna give rewards, so free audiobooks, free stars. Get it in the link below above. If you want to be a realtor, real estate agents, now is a good time. When people are selling homes, they need realtor. When the time is good, they want to buy homes, they still need a realtor, real estate agent. So click the link below to register for the required license course. And if you need credit cards to help you with this difficult time situation, the interest-free credit cards are linked below. You can click on it. And if you pay more than $15 per month for yourself, it's too much. Switch to this unlimited talking, texting, and data plan. And you can also get free travel credit below. And if you want to discuss anything about life, business, finance, stocks, you can give me a call. The link's gonna be below as well. And message me if you have any question on Facebook or Instagram. Text me your email address if you want to receive important updates, or if we are having a team call, I want to answer everybody's question. I've been receiving so many questions, but I want to answer everybody's questions. So text me your email address so that I can send you a link so that we can be on the call. So make sure to subscribe and share this video. Subscribe and basically like and see first on Facebook and follow. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.